Here's a quick follow-up on this car and how that exhaust turned out. I like it. I think it is quieter. I will say when I had this car out on the road about 3,000 RPM, it's really loud. At cruising speed, at idle, it's definitely quieter, but you know, any kind of load condition, and it gets pretty loud. So it's minimal, but I kind of expected that. But I've got the car out because I'm going to go ahead and get patch panels done on these bad spots on the car. Get that done before spring. These guys are ready to go. I've got the panels, so I'm going to go ahead and get those welded in and start picking at the rest of the body work that needs done on the car. We're doing the rears as well, all the way across. So and then depending on how this goes, I'll probably have these guys do the rest of the body work and then start thinking about paint. You know, the original color on the car is this what I believe to be light turquoise, so that's probably what I would go with on getting the car painted. This car is never going to be a show car or anything like that. I just kind of wanted a hot rod. Get kind of sick of the gray primer, so we'll see how it goes with getting the body work done. And I'm in no rush. It runs now, so having fun with the car, and I'll keep you posted on progress. Thanks, guys.